Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get Apple Music for free. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get your Apple Music for free, so let's see how can you easily do that. So you just have to open the music app in your phone, and here you just have to tap on your profile in the top right corner. And here unfortunately there is no any official way to get Apple Music free, but you can redeem your gift card or code from here if you have anyone or if you don't have anything. So you can try your Apple Music for 1 month free. So you have to tap on this get 1 month free option, and here you have to tap on try it free, and here you just have to subscribe to this Apple Music. Once you have subscribed, it will not charge you for 1 month. After 1 month, it will charge you. So you can easily try your Apple Music only for 1 month and free. So in this way, you can easily get Apple Music for free in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.